got a Toyota Sienna today, 2013. All right, customers here for an oil change and filter. 0W20 oil today. Customer requested me to check her brakes as well, so we'll go ahead and do that today as well. Just check the air filter. Well, it's dirty, but it doesn't seem too low. Okay. Well, that's locked. There's no key inside the remote, so we can't check the cabin filters today. But I doubt it's clean. Got these for safety. I know this car has a 14mm bolt. You do these cars so often, you remember the size. The oil filter right here. It's a canister filter, cartridge style. Wasn't tight, so clean up the filter a little bit. Two. The same filters. Nice and tight. Safety down. Car down. Check the tire pressure. Some of these Toyotas are weird. If you don't put the exact tire pressure, the light will stay on. 35 psi front and back. Check the other side. Six and a half quarts, 0W20. Perfect. Oil's full. Washer fluid's full, caps tight. Hood's coming down.